Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of perfect French fries. Have you ever wondered how your favorite restaurant achieves those consistently sized, golden brown, and irresistibly crispy French fries? The secret often lies in a commercial-grade French fries cutting machine, a true game-changer for any establishment serving up this beloved side dish. Scene opens with a dynamic shot of a sleek, stainless steel commercial French fries cutter, possibly with potatoes being loaded in. Upbeat, engaging music in the background. Close up on the sharp, precise blades. The gleaming steel reflects the promise of perfectly cut fries. Meet the star of the show. This isn't your average kitchen gadget, this is a workhorse, meticulously engineered to handle high volumes, maintain efficiency, and produce fries with remarkable speed and precision. Its robust design is built for the demands of a busy kitchen, ensuring consistent performance day in and day out. Scene transition to a bustling restaurant or a classic chip shop. Introduce the owner. We're thrilled to be here with Restaurant Shop. Owner's name, the proud owner of the highly regarded Restaurant Shop name. Restaurant Shop owner's name, thank you for welcoming us. We're excited to see this machine in action. Restaurant Shop owner, thanks for having us. This French fries cutter is absolutely indispensable. We rely on it every single day to deliver the quality our customers expect and deserve. Scene show the owner expertly placing a large, washed potato into the designated cutting chamber of the machine. Narrator, the process is remarkably simple, yet the results are incredibly effective. The owner carefully places a whole, thoroughly washed potato into the machine's cutting chamber, ensuring it's ready for its transformation. Scene, the owner confidently presses down on the lever. A satisfying, mechanical thunk sound effect is emphasized for impact. Narrator, with a single, swift, and almost effortless motion, the potato undergoes a metamorphosis, from a humble spud to the foundation of the perfect French fry. Scene close up on the perfectly cut fries, cascading gracefully into a waiting container. Emphasize the uniform size and shape. Narrator, behold the magic. Watch as the cutter effortlessly slices the potato into perfectly uniform fries, each one a testament to the machine's precision and efficiency. The consistency is truly remarkable. Restaurant shop owner, before we invested in this machine, we were cutting all our fries by hand. It was an incredibly time-consuming and labor-intensive process, taking what felt like an eternity. Scene show the owner holding up a generous handful of the freshly cut fries, showcasing their perfect shape and texture. Narrator, the true beauty of this machine lies in its unwavering consistency. Each and every fry is precisely the same size and shape, which is absolutely crucial for even cooking. This uniformity guarantees that every fry cooks evenly, resulting in that highly sought-after perfect crisp exterior, that delightful golden brown color, and, most importantly, the fluffy, tender interior we all crave and adore. The texture is truly something to behold. Scene show the fries being carefully and expertly dropped into the bubbling hot oil of a commercial fryer. Sizzling sounds are amplified. Restaurant shop owner, even cooking is absolutely key to achieving truly great tasting French fries. With this machine, we eliminate the problems of burnt ends or undercooked centers, ensuring every fry is cooked to absolute perfection. Scene show the cooked fries being expertly scooped out of the fryer, allowed to drain briefly, and then seasoned with a carefully selected blend of spices. Narrator, and the sheer speed is astonishing. This incredible cutter can process dozens of potatoes in a matter of minutes, easily keeping pace with even the most demanding lunch or dinner rushes. This ensures a consistent supply of perfectly prepared fries, even during the busiest periods. Scene, the owner expertly seasons the perfectly cooked fries, and serves them in a classic container, ready to be enjoyed.